Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco hashbrown casserole. Alright, I'm starting out here. I have 1 pound of ground beef that I browned up and drained off the excess grease. Now I'm going to add in 1 pack of taco seasoning mix to the ground beef. And I have my heat set down on low. So stir that around to blend it in there. It's a real quick and easy recipe. Not many ingredients and not much to cook. So yes, Dexter. Dexter's all happy because we're having ground beef today. Now I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of the pre-diced garlic. If you use fresh, use 2 cloves. And I'm at the bottom of this container. I don't want to waste it. I want to get all of it out. Stir that in. What, Dexter? Now I have a 10.5 ounce can of cheddar cheese soup. I'm going to get that down in there. Alright. Stir that in. And I have a bag of frozen hash browns. This here is 26 ounces. We're going to get that in a pot. Let me turn my heat up to medium and I'm going to stir these in. Dexter's all happy because tomorrow's Friday and we're having beef. We're not having the C word. I just want to stir this in here. Well mixed. I'm going to turn my heat up a little more. So I'm going to thaw these hash browns out just a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to take some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using Fiesta blend. You could also use taco cheese. Let me just stir this around here real quick. Now I'm going to take some of my cheese. That's probably about a cup of cheese. I'm going to stir that in. Great, it's looking good. I'm going to get a little milk, guys. I'm going to add about a cup of milk. I want a whole lot of liquid in here because as these hash browns bake, they're going to put off liquid. Just enough to make this moist. Alright, now I'm going to put a little more cheese on top. Now I'm going to put this in a 400-degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes until the hash browns cook through and the cheese melts. I let this go for 25 minutes, then I took it out and left it rest for 10 minutes. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and I garnished it with some fresh diced tomato and some parsley. You could also do cilantro on there, but I don't do cilantro, so I'm doing parsley. Let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to try to get a little bit of tomato in this bite. Cheesy. You get that taco seasoning and the garlic. The cheese and the potato works well together. Guys, you see how easy that was. It was nothing at all. 1 pot in the oven. one and done. Alright, there you have it. Taco hash brown casserole. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.